All right, everybody. So we got 2015 Top Strata 2-box break, ID number 105 and 106. Let's go ahead and screen share you in right now. All right, so we got Jolo up top. Down at the bottom, we've got KB. We're going to go ahead and take our list of names here, copy them, and then we're going to put it into random.org. Let's run it through 7 times like we always do. And good luck, everybody. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here comes 2 more, 6 and 7. All right, so we got Joe S up top. Damon, you are down at the bottom. Let's go ahead and get you guys into the spreadsheet. Then we'll take our team list, run that through random as well, and match it up in the spreadsheet to find out who landed on what team or teams. All right, so we got the Diamondbacks up top. Down at the bottom, Washington, the Nats. Here we go, 7 more times. Good luck. Let's make it 1, 2, 3, 4. Feliz Navidad. 5, 6, and number 7. All right, so we got the Nationals up top. Toronto Blue Jays down at the bottom. Everybody else somewhere in between. I bet she's got a pretty sick collection. His PC. All right, guys, I'm going to transfer that list over to the break screen right now. And you guys can take a look at what team or teams you landed on. Hokey Hodge, what's up, man? Good morning to you. Top of the morning. All right, guys, so there are our team assignments. If you are in the break, you're here, you're hanging out, you want to make a trade, all you got to do is offer it up. All right, so if we don't have any trades, we're going to go ahead and rip this thing. Collect Card said RIP it. Let's do it. I'm with you. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Thanks for getting in this morning. Happy holidays to you and yours. Let's start the day off with something big here. Oh, man, we got a redemption. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Wow. And we got a great card underneath here, too. Holy stoikies. Who's the redemption of? Wow. Man, oh, man. Whew. That is a sick card on top, buddy. All right, so here we go. Look at this shadow box. One of the all-time Chicago Cubby greats right here. Mr. Mark Grace. Holy cow, check it out. It's got his rookie picture up there. That's filthy right there. That is nice. Mark Grace. Wow. Sick. Let's see who's got the Chicago Cubs in the break. That's going to be Tanya S. right there. Tanya. Nice hit. Congratulations on the Mark Grace. Way to work. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That is a nice card, man. It's a beaut. All right, and then we have a redemption here. And the redemption is going to be for 2015 Topps Strata. Clearly authentic autograph relic. Green parallel. Steven Matz. Nice. New York Mets. The New York Mets right there. Mr. Steven Matz. Man, oh man, another nice hit. Let's see who's got the Mets in the break. And that is Damon H. Damon H. Congratulations, my man. What a great box right there. Way to start, huh? Stephen M. Mr. Steven Matz. Congratulations once again, Damon H., man. Coming out to you. Way to work. Way to work. All right, guys, next one. Love the look of that Mark Grace card right there. Hey, Ball, we got plenty. We got actually quite a few ladies that break with us, man. It's awesome. We got to run the whole gamut. All right, here we go. First up, another. Wow, this is definitely a New York Met break. Look at this, numbered 7 of 99. Noah Syndergaard right there, 7 of 99. New York Mets. Once again, Damon H. Congratulations, my man. Mets for sure killed it. 7 of 99, Noah Syndergaard. Great looking card. And then we have, last but not least, oh my Lord. Wow, Damon, congratulations, sir. You, my friend, had what we would call a fantastic break. LA Dodgers right here. LA Dodgers, number to 50. Adrian Gonzalez, 2-color. 21 of 50 right there for the LA Dodgers. And Damon H., my man, Merry Christmas to you, my friend. Way to work right there. 21 of 50, Adrian Gonzalez. Very nice. All right, that's going to do it for the 2-box break. Let's go ahead and get that over to YouTube right now. Ball, we are going to be. I'm not going to be, but AG, one of the other breakers here at Friendly Box Breaks, is going to be on. I'm going to be off here in about an hour, but he's going to be on for the rest of the day, probably around, I don't know, 1:30 to 1 o'clock to, 6, 7, 8, whatever time he's going to run till. I'm not really sure, but he'll be on, yeah. Somebody will be on for you. This guy's already logged in. There you go. There is your answer. Dory said, let's jumble this baseball so I can get some sleep. There you go. All right, guys, I'm going to go over and to Louisville, but I may. Hey, Ball, no doubt. Have a safe trip, my man. Have a safe trip. Merry Christmas to you too, my friend. All right, guys, I'm going to get this over to sorting. And I am here with you. So no worries on that. I'm going to step across to the other side of the room real quick. As soon as I send this over to YouTube.